Hello everyone, my name is Brian, and in this video I'll be walking you through a step-by-step process of how to register a domain name. So before we get started, I just want to let you know that in order to build a website you actually need a domain name, and you also need a hosting for your website. So domain name is the name of your website, for example www.mybusiness.com. So in this video, I'll be showing you where and how to register a domain name. So personally, I've been using Safaricom for most of my websites and client websites for the past 3 years. But you also have other options in Kenya. For example, there's another one called TrueHost, which I've used a few times. Then we also have Host Pinnacle. So the reason why I've chose Safaricom over the others is because of their competitive pricing. They also have a good customer service. So you can do your research, and if you find any of these ones, you can use either TrueHost, Host Pinnacle, or just any other host that you can find that will suit your needs. So in this one, we'll be using Safaricom. So you need to visit domains.safaricom.co.ke. Then once you are in this landing page, you will need to create an account. So I already have an account, that's why you can see I'm already logged in. So for the purpose of demonstration, I'll just log out this account, and then you need to hit register to be able to register an account with Safaricom. So hit register. Then you'll be required to fill in some personal information, billing address, and some additional information. So the first name, last name as per your ID. Then you need to provide an email address. Again, here you need to provide a valid email address, because this is where they will be sending you your notifications and invoices. Again, you should also provide a valid phone number where they can contact you in case of anything. Billing address, the company name is optional. You can add your name, or you can even add your company name or your business name. The street address, the city, state, and postcode is compulsory, so you have to supply one in those fields. Then you need to supply some additional information over here, that is your national ID card or a passport, as well as a company registration number. Then you fill in the passport ID or company registration number over here, not forgetting the KRA pin over here. Then at the bottom you need to supply a strong password. Then remember to add this text box, this security check over here. Then you click on register. So I already have an account with them. It's pretty straightforward. The UI is simple over here, so you should not have any problem. Then once you are done, you will be sent an email just to verify your account, and then later you can log in. So like I told you, I already have an account, so I'll just proceed and log in so that I can show you how to actually buy a domain name. So click on log in. Then I'll key in my email address. Now once I'm logged in, I'll be redirected to this page over here. This is your dashboard where you'll be able to see the domains that you have. Like you can see, I have a few services over here. Those are the hosting services. I also have some domains and invoices, pending invoices. Those are the invoices that have yet to be paid. Then a ticket is when you have a question, maybe you need help. You just raise a ticket over here. Right now I have none. Then scrolling down, these are just some of the overdue invoices that needs to be paid. Then our focus will be here at the top. This is where you can order new services. Now new services means like hosting services. So Safaricom offer domain name registration as well as hosting services. To order a new service, you just need to click on order new services. You can also purchase a domain using domains link over here. If you click on that menu, you'll get a submenu for register new domain. So I'll click on register new domain. So once you are here, you need to key in the name of the domain name that you want to register. But again, not all domains that you need will be available. So sometimes you might key in a domain and it might not be available. So you need to check for the availability first. So for example, let's try one over here. Let's say www.mybusiness.com. Then if you search that one, you need to do that security check again. Yeah, so you can see mybusiness.com is not available. So you need to supply a name that is available. Just you can tweak it a little bit. You can say my new business.com. Then let's search that one. Yeah, so you can see my new business.com is now available. So once the availability has been confirmed, you now need to add it to cart by clicking add to cart. And then you can also see other options, .ke. If you want the top level domain, that is .ke, that's 7,000.com. The prices vary based on the top level domain, like .co or .ke is a little bit expensive as compared to .com. So I'll stick with this one for this guide. So add to cart. Then now you need to check out. This is now the page where you add your payment method. So like I said, for a website to function, you need a domain name. You also need a host. So a host is where the website actually lives. So we can decide to add a host now, a hosting package. Safaricom do have hosting packages, or you can do it for later. For now, I just want us to register the domain name. Then later we'll be able to add, we'll come back and add a hosting package over here. You can preview some of the hosting packages. If you click on this one, open a new tab. You can see some of the packages: bronze, silver, gold, premium, enterprise, and enterprise plus. Again, just choose depending on the traffic that you expect your website to have. If you're just having a basic blog or just something simple, you can decide to go with bronze for just a static website, or maybe silver for a blog, gold, depending on the traffic that you expect your website to have. So let's continue. So once you're done, once you've confirmed everything is okay, you just need to say continue. Then you can add a promo code if you have. Since you don't have a promo code, just proceed and check out. Then you also need to edit. If you want to edit it, you can just edit it. Then once you're done, you press check out. Just click on that to check out. Okay, so you can see there's some information here. This is the information that you provided when you are registering, so you don't have to repeat it again. Then you can see your amount you pay using M-Pesa paybill. That is one of the reasons why I love Safaricom. You can pay via paybill, unlike others like GoDaddy or how do we call this company? GoDaddy or Namecheap, where you need a credit card to purchase. So that's why sometimes it's good to use these local companies. So you need to click that. If you have an additional note, you might include it here. Then you say complete order. Just click on that. Yeah, so here you just go to your phone, enter the pay bill and the account number as provided. Then once you're done, you key in the M-Pesa MESS transaction ID that you've received. Then you just complete the transaction. So that's it for today, guys, and let's meet in the next video.